Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram.
Hello, welcome back to another quick salad special of mine. Today we're going to be making a very simple, very quick tuna avocado salad. This recipe is super quick, and what I like about super quick recipe is less time in the kitchen, yet a yummy meal, lots of time with family, relaxing or doing whatever you like. Let's get started. Here I have some Romanian lettuce which I'm going to chop. Always cut it bite size because it's much more easier to eat. Then I'm going to take some cucumber. I'm going to just slit them in between and slice them. A large onion, cutting them into 4 pieces and then slicing them. Once I've sliced them, I'm going to separate the pieces so it's evenly spread into every bite of your salad. Spring onion, going to chop them. And then I'm going to add our avocado. Now for the avocado, I've taken a nearly ripe one. It's about 80% ripe. I don't want the avocado to be very mashy into the salad, so I'm going to take an 80% ripe one, which helps me have small bite pieces into the salad. I've put all the vegetables chopped into a bowl. Now I'm going to use canned tuna, which I've drained the water out completely. Toss all the ingredients well together. And now let's add our dressing directly into the bowl. I'm going to add in some chopped parsley, some lemon juice, freshly ground pepper, and I'm going to drizzle olive oil all over. Salt. Now mix it all well and our salad is ready. Now let's plate our dish. A lovely tuna avocado salad is ready to eat. I hope you've been watching my salad season and enjoying these easy recipes. If you have been liking my recipes, leave a comment below. See you until next time.
Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.